In front of me is PocoPad, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. All you need to do is select an app to use in this view and launch it in the background. Then hold it and click on this icon above the gear one. Then hit next in the pop-up and start. Now as you can see, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. You can also reshape it. If you want to use more options of pop-up view, click on those three dots and operate all of those. You can also hit home button and swipe it to the side to turn it into a bubble. Then open it again by clicking on the bubble and then tiny window. To close it though, just swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!